Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. It has been a while. Just got in. It is Saturday, November 29th already. My husband just got back from the store because I'm about to make this sweet potato pecan casserole. Y'all, I was late for the party, honey. I should have had this fixed before Thanksgiving. But since we went over to my parents' house, we knew we'd have leftovers bringing them back here, so I didn't even bother to make it. But hubby has been requesting it, so he went to the store and got the ingredients. It's a simple recipe, but it's almost to me like a dessert. He picked up a rotisserie chicken because I didn't get enough turkey from my mom's house. And we decided not to fix our turkey. We're going to save that for Christmas. So he got a rotisserie chicken. We're going to have that and some mashed potatoes, green beans. My mama's dressing is fire, okay? Every year we look forward to it. So we have several tins of that mom always makes. Got those to warm up, so we're going to have leftovers. This is day 3. I don't like to do leftovers too long, but we're going to enjoy it this weekend. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Work has been working. We've been off since Wednesday, thank goodness. So we've had 5 days just to kind of chill, put up our 10-foot Christmas tree. We finally got that finished the day after Thanksgiving. It was up, but the ornaments were not on, y'all, and we finally got to it last night, so that would have been the 28th. So it looks good. I will do kind of a formal video of all of our Christmas decor once all of it's up. But for now, y'all, I'm going to get started on this sweet potato casserole. I'll talk to you soon. Y'all, I told my husband to get 2 large cans. In his defense, I did say large cans of Bruce's yams. And y'all, I thought he was going to get the 29 ounce. He got the 40 ounce, child. He got 2 of them, 240. So when I asked him, I said, do you want me to make just a single batch or a double? He was like, double. So I guess he figured he would get these, but we don't need this both cans. But I have my brown sugar, my chopped pecans. It requires that. The butter, sugar, brown sugar. And I usually add a little bit of nutmeg. It calls for vanilla extract. What else? Eggs. A little bit of milk. My husband is lactose intolerant, so he drinks almond milk. So I have a little carton of 2% milk. I prefer that when baking or cooking. So I have that luckily, but just for his sake, I'm going to go ahead and use the almond milk so it doesn't mess with his stomach. But yes, y'all, that is it. That's what's on the agenda today. Today is the battle of the Tennessee teams, Vanderbilt versus Tennessee, University of Tennessee Vols. We pull for Tennessee because our friend's son plays for the Vols, number 7, Arian Carter. Look out for him. Hopefully he goes pro. Well, we know he's going pro, but hopefully he goes to my team, Dallas Cowboys. Well, with that said, y'all, I will ramble. Y'all know how I am. Let me get started on this so I can relax, watch the game in the next 30 to 45 minutes, and chill with hubby, y'all. It has been busy. We've been off, like I said, since Wednesday, just getting the house together, decor, Christmas decor up, fall decor down, hanging with family and all that. Even though Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, y'all, it can be exhausting. So I need a nap with all that said. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. It's what time is it? That is not right. It's 2:23. The game should be coming on any minute now. I need to tell hubby to come on. He's outside still decorating. He's probably watching it on his phone anyway. But I'm going to get started, y'all. Stop rambling. Make this casserole and take a nap. Okay? Now I'll see y'all later.